So now in this lecture, we're going to be doing the sketching process. And here, of course, after we looked into different pictures, we looked at the competition, we have a basic or a general understanding of how we're going to sketch. So the sketching part is really important because I found it like it helps the logo to be unique because your hands are different from anyone else. So we can draw the same thing, me and you, but if you sketch it and I sketch it, it's gonna come out different because we don't have the same style, okay? Just something that it's within you. So let's go ahead and start sketching. So I always get asked that question is why do we get our images like this and why we have to create a mood board and all of that? And the reason is because in this part right here, what we want to do is that we want to take a look to all these pictures and then try to combine everything together so we can create our own personal, original look. Now, also there is something that you guys should know, and that I know that most people won't agree with me, but unfortunately there is no such thing as originality. Because you think it's original because you don't know the source of it, but everything is pretty much already exist, okay? And to back up what I'm saying, I highly recommend that you read that book. It's called How to Steal Like an Artist. Now I forgot the name of the author, but I will add it in post-production. Now you may get your logo with one sketch, or you may have to try different sketches or several sketches many times before you get a nice looking logo. Okay, I've did this process before. Now I didn't record everything because of the sake of this class, but I sketched pretty much a lot of logos until I was happy with this one. So now that we're done with the sketching process, the sketch doesn't have to look perfect and you don't have to show it to the client, but the sketch is more like a blueprint. So up next, we're going to go ahead and be adding the basic vector lines of our logo.